What's up, stackers? So this is part 2 of a free mini course on how to make money with Facebook fan pages. If you haven't watched the first video, that's finding your niche, you can do so by clicking the card right there in the right hand corner, so you can go through, watch that and find the niche that you want to build a following in. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I come out with different videos on ways that you can start making money here online. So go and hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Now, like I said, this is part 2. This is going to be creating your fan page in the niche that you've already chosen. So let's go ahead and start this. So creating your fan page is really easy, but there is a few things you're going to want to do when you set this up. So to create a fan page, all you do is come to here on the left hand side in your Facebook, click that, let all this pop up, then you want to go up here to create page. See, really simple. Now what you want to do here is either choose a brand or business, community or public figure. I normally go with community when I'm doing like niche fan pages, and right here is where you want to type in the name of your page. So for instance, if you was creating a page around a TV show, let's say The Walking Dead, you could have something along the lines of The Walking Dead is my life, I love The Walking Dead rocks. It doesn't really matter too much at this point, because you can always go back and change your name. Now if you was to do a pet, let's say huskies for instance, you could put I love my husky is my life, and so on. Again, it doesn't matter too much at this point because you can always change it. So let's just do this one with huskies. So let's just put my husky is my life. Let's just put a couple of spaces in there. Then let's put community and then click continue. So creating your page is actually relatively easy. Then all you want to do, we can come back to do that in a minute. So we're just going to press skip. Skip again, and then that's it, your page is created. Now there's a few things that you want to do once you have created your page. Let's just skip all this for a minute. Skip that. Now the first thing you want to do is open Facebook up in another window, because now you want to find similar pages in your niche and like them pages as your page. So let's just type in huskies up here. Husky. Let that load for a second. Go to see all results for husky. Then we're going to go to pages, so we can see all the similar pages in the husky niche. Why do we do this? Because this is just another way for you to find content for your videos, which I'm going to touch upon in a later video. So if we go to pages just here, we can now see all these different husky pages. Bloody hell, I didn't actually realise how popular the husky niche was. 59,000, 805,000, 660,000, 1.4 million like Husky Mag. Now, what you want to do, actually that's not a husky, that is a band. You want to open these in a new tab. Come through to their page. Again, just going to let that load up for a second. Now you want to like this as the page you've just created. So if you've created a page around a TV show, you want to find all the pages, Facebook fan pages on that TV show and like them as your page. How do we do this? We go here, so just here, then we click that, then it should pop up this, then you go to here, like as your page. Then all you do is click there, find your page, that's this page, the one we just created, and submit. Okay, then you do that on another page. So I'm just going to do that on one more, maybe two more. Again, come here, click that, like as your page. Remember, you don't like as you like as your page. Select a page, my husky is my life, submit. Okay, then I'm going to do that one more time on Husky Mag. Go just there, like as your page, select the page, press submit, and OK. Now let me just close these two tabs for a minute. Go back to the page we just created. I'm going to refresh the page. Now if we just scroll down here, pages liked by this page. This will populate all the pages you've just gone and liked. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to use this to your advantage to find content for your new page. Well, one of the ways. Now what we want to do is just quickly add a cover, add a profile picture as well. We can just go to Google and do this because Huskies is quite general. So there should be a lot of pictures that you can use. So let's just put Husky cover image. Now further down the line you can use Canva and make some really nice cover art and profile picture for your new page. Now I'm just going to use this one for an example, just so we've got a nice picture up. So I'm going to save that image. And then I'm going to use Husky profile pic. And then something that pops out. Scroll down. Let's have a little look. I like that one, that kind of stands out a little bit. So I'm just going to take that one. I know you shouldn't be using images from Google. This is just to have something up on your page, in your cover photo and in your profile picture. Again, we can always go back and change this, further down the line. You aren't going to keep these forever. So now if we just go to change picture, do upload photo, then we're going to choose this one. We're going to do the same for, yep, that should do. Scroll down. Also add the cover photo as well. So upload. Choose the picture we just downloaded. That one. Save. Now again, we can always use Canva to make some real nice images for your cover photo and your profile picture. But that is the creation of the fan page. It is really easy to do. Now in the next video, I'm going to show you how to find content for your videos. And if you're watching in the future, you can go through and click that card in the right hand corner to watch that. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I'll see you in the next video.